Hi everyone, my name is JB and I am the UX designer for this project on Academia Doc for Team 3. I'll be doing a recorded portion for my presentation because unfortunately I cannot be here for the presentation. So I'll be going through the wireframe mockup for my presentation, and this page that you're seeing is the sign-in page for Academia Doc. So this is the first page that the user will be seeing when they type in the URL academiadoc.com. And as you can see, the logo, this is what logo looks like for Academia Doc. And there will be a description of what Academia Doc is about and the service that our company provides, which is a portal for alumni to log in and request their transcripts for different schools. And what we do is to help manage notifications for alumni school and to ensure that they have the information they need to fulfill the request in a very organized manner. And there's even a link here, video link, to see how the service works for Academia Doc. And on the right-hand side, it will be the sign-in page for the user to sign in. And there are two major personas for our service, which is the alumni and the faculty. So what the alumni does is they log in to request their transcript. And the faculty, on the other hand, will be the one providing the transcript that the alumni have requested. And so if you don't have an account, what you do is you fill out this form to register for an account. It will ask for your first name, last name, email address, and pick a password. And select what persona are you, whether you're alumni or faculty. And after you do that, you click on the submit registration and boom, an account will be created for you. And if you already have an existing account, of course, you don't have to go through this entire process of registration and can just click on this sign in button here to sign into your account, which brings me to the next page, the landing page after you log in. And there is an indicator on the top right corner that shows you you've signed in with your first name. In this case, persona is John. And if you click on this drop down, it will show you like edit profile and whatnot and different other settings. And this would be a picture of some kind of campus for the landing page. And in the bottom page, you'll see how there are different services that academia provided. Like you'll be able to see some upcoming events, post a comment, the alumni directory, and request transcript, which should be the focus of our service. So after the user is logged in, they can click on this request transcript button, and they'll be taken to this page where they'll be asked to fill in this transcript request form. And what we need from the alumni is for them to fill in their full name, their ID number, the year they graduated, their phone number, and email that they want the transcript to be delivered to, and the purpose for this request. And it can either be a personal reason or for official reasons. And we ask them to abide by some kind of policy, and if they read this and agree to this protocol, then just have to click on this agreement and then click on the submit button to request a transcript. And the next thing for the alumni to do is they can see the status of their transcript request. So after they submitted that form, it'll be this stage will be completed, and there will be a very obvious indicator. The circle will be filled, and it will show that you completed the stage. And the next stage will be approval by the admin. And for this sample mockup, the transcript that a student just requested has been approved by the admin. So the indicator will show that it's been approved, but it has not yet reached these three other stages, which is why they are blank. And the other three stages will be transcript has to be processed, and then the processing will be completed. And then after it's completed, this case has to be closed. And in order for this request to be closed, it has to reach all these 5 stages. And in the bottom side, you will see the timeline for these different requests. So you can see that the request is being submitted on this certain date, approved on this certain date. And because these 3 other stages haven't been reached yet, there are no dates that show up. But once it does, you'll be able to see the timeline and historical record to the date that these requests have been made. And this page that we created is for the admin or faculty. So the faculty, what they do is they approve requests or receive requests from students regarding their transcript requests. And as you can see in the bottom corner, the page that they're seeing right now is a dashboard, and there's a huge indicator, 3 huge indicators that shows them how many new requests have come in, how many ongoing requests are there, and how many requests have been closed. And here they'll be able to see different names of the alumni that have requested a transcript, the date that they've requested the transcript, and what's the status of these requests. And they can also filter these requests according to ongoing, pending, or closed. That's that. And the next page will be status update page. So the admin can go in and change the status of the request. So let's say that they approved a transcript from a student. They will go in and fill out this approval date. And after it's processed, they will go in and fill this out and fill the completed date out and close date as well. And this is where they upload the file for a transcript and click on the submit button. And if they want to replace this transcript with something else, let's say that another wrong transcript was being attached by accident, they can go in and click on choose file to replace the original transcript and click on this upload button to make this change. And so this page is a reflection of what the student will see on this page, which is tracking the status of their request. Okay, so that's it for my presentation today, and these are the wireframes that have been created for our project. Thank you, guys.